Saraswati Vidyalayam News Bulletin. I am Gauri R.S. I am a 6th standard student of this school. First of all, let us have a gander at the international news. Over 30 killed, bodies burned in Myanmar, Human Rights Group. More than 30 people, including women and children, were killed and their bodies burned in Myanmar. Conflict on Kaya State on Friday, according to the local residents, media reports and local human rights group. Japanese professor creates teletest TV screen. A Japanese professor has developed a prototype clickable TV screen that can imitate food flavors, another step towards creating a multi-sensory viewing experience. The device called Taste the TV. Now let us move on the national news. Nepal PM Deuba likely to attend Vibrant Gujarat Summit. Prime Minister of Nepal Sher Bahadur Deuba likely to attend the annual Vibrant Gujarat Summit in January. Diplomatic sources in Kathmandu have said Mr. Deuba, who was re-elected the presidency of the ruling Nepali Congress Party on December 15, curtains down on one of Asia's largest screens. It is curtains down on VIP Theatres touted with world third largest screen in Sulurpeta. 96 from here. Much of disappointed of moving goes ahead of New Year. Now let us switch over to the state news. European Omicron trains offer key lessons for Kerala. As Kerala braces for a potential spread of Omicron virus variant in the days ahead, multiple plans and strategies will have to be implemented to ensure that the health system is not overwhelmed and non-COVID care is not hit as it was during a peak of previous Delta wave. Online meets with non-resident care lights before preparing for a year's plan. The local self-government department will be organizing online meets non-resident care lights ahead of preparation of 14th 5 years plan. Minister of LSGS MB Govindan issued directive in this regard of department official on Saturday. Now over to the school news.
How much garbage do you think is thrown by each houses every day? Yes, there are so many garbages around us. We are generating mountains of garbage every day. Today, our students made so many things by using these waste materials like files from old chart, greeting card decorated with flowers made from pencil shaving, basket from used polythene covers, hats, paper mask, etc. And these are so many things made by them. Let's watch the visuals. Take a candle and a ball of water. The candle is lighted and placed inside the ball. The candle will continue to burn due to continuously available fresh air providing the required oxygen for combustion. Now, cover the burning candle by putting an inward glass jar over it. After a short time, the candle stops burning and gets extinguished. When the burning candle is covered with glass jar, then the candle takes away the oxygen necessary for burning from the air enclosed in the glass jar. After some time, when all the oxygen of air inside the glass jar is used up, then the burning candle gets extinguished, and the empty space inside the glass jar absorbs water from the bowl. This experiment shows us that air is necessary for combustion.
Rajendra Chola first. Rajendra Chola I, often described as Rajendra the Great, was a Tamil ruler of the Chola Empire in South India between 1014 to 1044 AD. Rajendra succeeded his father Rajaraja I in 1014 AD. The extensive Chola Empire under Rajendra included most parts of present-day South India, with the river Krishna as the northern limits, Sri Lanka and the Laccadives and the Maldives. He carried out a successful military expedition to the river Ganges through Orissa and Bengal and brought Ganges water to his new capital down in the Kaveri Delta, Gangaikonda Cholapura. Rajendra's ambitious campaign against the Sri Vijaya, the southern Malay Peninsula and Sumatra, is dated to c. 1025 AD. A number of strategic places along the Straits of Malacca came under Chola control as a result of this campaign. Rajendra was succeeded by Rajadiraja I, 1018 to 1054.
Namaste. Now I am going to introduce myself. My name is Devi Krishna G.V. I am 9th standard student of Sri Saraswati Vidyalayam Urittambalam. My native place is Ponnakulam. It is about 13 km from the school. My father is Mr. Biju S. He is a trainer of NEET and JEE exams. He is running an education institution in Kerala and Tamil Nadu for entrance coaching. My mother is Mrs. Divya T. She is a homemaker. I have a younger sister. Her name is Dvani Krishna G.V. She is 4 years old. My ambition is to become a doctor.
Namaste, I am Madhava Sujesh. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.